You see, the first marital fight happened under God's questioning in this passage. God is giving Adam the chance to repent. Why do you think God asks him the question? First, where are you? And secondly, have you eaten? You think God is dumb? No, God knows about this. God wasn't asking for information. He was giving Adam the chance to step forward. What have you done? It's like when you know it was your child who walked with dirty feet on your carpets or your tiles, who took that cookie that you said they can't eat now, they have to eat it. You know it was your child, but you still ask them, do you know who took the cookie? You know, but you're giving them the opportunity to come forward. And so God is asking, he's essentially giving Adam this opportunity to step forward and repent. And so the first marital fight happens as God being their counselor. And Adam completely shifts the blame.